Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay bills on Royal Bank of Canada. Now we're using the app. First, I want you to launch the app as well. Come at the bottom, click on Move Money. And from here, I want you to just click on the second option that says Pay a Bill. And now I want you to click again here on Pay a Bill. And you'll be able to access your payee list. So first, go ahead and choose your account you're paying from. Okay, we have different options. I'll just choose our savings account and you enter the amount you're paying and then tap here on done. So let's say $5. Now we select the payee. If you already have one, you'll find them right here. You can select or you can tap here and add a new one. We'll just use Rogers and then you can go ahead and enter a date when you would want this bill to be paid. So you can pick your date, okay, you can tap on done, and you can adjust the frequency. Is it something you're paying only once, or is it a recurring bill or subscription, So you can tap here and choose your frequency. We'll just leave it at once, tap on done, and click on continue. And now here you can review everything before you finally click on pay now. And there you go, this is your confirmation. The payment has been sent. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.